The essence of a genuine social enterprise lecture 7050. To better understand the nature of social enterprises, I'd like to clarify a few key points, especially regarding how to manage employee welfare, executive operations, and social contribution when generating substantial revenue, such as $20 million. The amount of profit a company generates does not directly determine whether it qualifies as a true social enterprise. What truly matters is how the profit is used. There are no fixed standards that dictate how much of the earnings must be donated to society. Instead, the core value of a social enterprise lies in how its profits are reinvested to create social impact. It is reasonable for 30 to 40% of the total revenue to be allocated toward employee wages and operational expenses. Exceeding this proportion may hinder the company's future growth. After taxes, approximately 30% of the remaining profit should be set aside for the company's development and sustainability. From the rest, 40% should go toward improving employee benefits, and 30% should be invested in employee education and training. Employee education is not merely financial support, it is an investment in strengthening employee capabilities and nurturing future talent. Financial compensation alone cannot guarantee individual growth or the long-term success of a company. Educational investment can also be tied to volunteer opportunities that help employees better understand and contribute to society. Employees are individuals who have benefited from society, therefore, they must carry a sense of responsibility toward it. A social enterprise must empower its employees to understand societal challenges and take part in addressing them. To do so, companies should offer opportunities for regular social research, community engagement, and volunteer work to support vulnerable groups. A genuine social enterprise does not merely donate a portion of its profits to society. It actively participates in solving social problems and creating social value. Investing in the study of social issues and finding ways to contribute to societal advancement is a core responsibility of such enterprises. The role of a social enterprise goes beyond material support. Through knowledge sharing and education, it must help foster progress within society. Intellectual contributions, such as educational content creation, are vital tools for shaping the future. A social enterprise should take the lead in addressing social grievances and resolving issues through impactful education. Establishing a foundation dedicated to researching societal challenges and developing solutions is a powerful way to create a virtuous cycle. Such efforts can also lead to the development of new ideas and content that benefit humanity as a whole. Our society does not merely wait for monetary donations, it seeks visionary content that guides us in the right direction. Regardless of revenue size, a true social enterprise is one that fulfills its social responsibilities and contributes meaningfully to societal development. Such companies earn the respect and trust of their communities. Entrepreneurs must strive to become exemplary figures who collaborate with society to explore and build the future of social enterprise. Here is the simplified Master CHEON GONG's message. What is a true social enterprise? Here is the simplified Master CHEON GONG's message. A company is not a true social enterprise just because it makes a lot of money. What truly matters is how the money is used. The essence of a social enterprise lies not in the amount of profit, but in how that profit is reinvested for the good of society. Balanced spending on operations and salaries. It is appropriate to allocate about 30 to 40% of total revenue to employee wages and operational costs. Spending more than this may weaken the company's potential for future growth. Reinvesting profits after paying taxes, around 30% of the remaining profit should be reserved for the company's growth and stability. From the rest, 40% should go toward improving employee welfare, and 30% should be used for employee training and development. The importance of education. Supporting employees doesn't just mean giving them money. Real support means helping them grow and develop the skills they need to contribute to society. Education can be connected to volunteer work or social exploration that broadens their perspective. Social responsibility of employees. Employees have benefited from the support of society and must therefore carry a sense of responsibility in return. Companies should provide chances for employees to better understand and engage with social issues, through research trips, volunteering, and direct involvement with underprivileged communities. More than just donations. The real social enterprise doesn't stop at donating money. It actively participates in solving real-world problems and creating social value. This means studying societal needs and investing in projects that lead to real change. Sharing knowledge. While material support is important, sharing knowledge and education often has a deeper and more lasting impact. Social enterprises should create educational content that helps reduce conflict and address public dissatisfaction. Foundations and research for social solutions. Establishing a foundation to research social issues and explore solutions is a powerful way to contribute to society. This work can lead to the development of new ideas and tools that help improve the world for everyone. What it takes to be respected. The measure of a great company is not how much profit it makes, but how well it fulfills its responsibility to society. Companies that lead by example, seek social improvement, and work together with communities will earn genuine respect and lasting trust. This teaching emphasizes that true social enterprises focus on meaningful use of profit rather than just making profit. They invest in people, education, and the long-term health of society. This is the path to becoming a respected and lasting force for good. This is the story based on the above articles. The Vessel That Carries Light, a choice for a greater stage, fiction. Social value, growth and responsibility. Amid the towering glass buildings of downtown Seoul stood the headquarters of IEM Group, a global enterprise known for its elegant design and sustainable innovations. To the outside world, it appeared like any other successful conglomerate, but at its heart lay a quiet promise: to become a vessel that carries light. That promise began with its founder, Young Minimum. After graduating top of his class, he turned down lucrative offers from major corporations. Instead, he opened a small workshop with discarded school desks and recycled wood. "We didn't start this to make money," he had said. "We started this to restore dignity to people's lives." As years passed, that humble workshop grew into IEM Group, expanding into furniture, architecture, and community-based cultural projects. But what truly made IEM special wasn't its products, it was its people. The company prioritized hiring those from marginalized backgrounds, women returning to work after long absences, unemployed youth, and individuals with developmental challenges. By the time IEM entered the realm of large-scale business, investors and advisors began pushing new strategies. If you cut labor costs and automate production, profits will triple. You can still market yourself as a social enterprise. It's all about optics. Meeting rooms filled with charts and figures, but Young Min's eyes kept drifting to a small photograph on his desk. A simple wooden chair made by Do Yoon, a 17-year-old neurodivergent intern who had found confidence through IEM's training program. What did we promise when we started this? He asked himself. Saying yes to the investors would mean financial security, massive growth, and global expansion. But it would also mean layoffs, losing the human-centered mission, and turning away from those who needed the company most. At the next all-staff meeting, Young Min made his decision public. "We will not restructure to chase numbers. We will grow with people, slowly, but with purpose." Silence filled the room. Then applause erupted. "I'm proud to be part of this company," whispered Eun-ju, now the CFO, tears in her eyes. IEM began investing more deeply into its values. 30% of revenue went toward employee welfare, and another 30% into education, mental health programs, and creative development. After work, employees could join therapy sessions, art classes, and social outreach groups. Ideas began to flourish. One day, an intern suggested, "What if we incorporate children's drawings into our furniture?" "Brilliant," someone replied. "That gives meaning to the product, for both the child and the customer." Soon, each piece of furniture told a story, handmade, infused with community art, and carrying real emotion. Then came a call from a local rehabilitation center. "We're running a workshop for teens with disabilities. Would IEM partner with us?" "Of course," Young Min replied. "That's why we exist." Through this, he met Do Yoon. Quiet, hesitant, but when he touched wood, he came alive. His first chair, he gifted to his mother. "Mom, I think I can do something." Tears filled her eyes. "You can, my son. You really can." Years passed. IEM expanded across regions, forming partnerships with nonprofits, schools, and local governments. One day, it was officially recognized as a model social enterprise by the national government. At the awards ceremony, a reporter asked, "What's the secret behind your success?" Young Min paused and smiled. "We never aimed to succeed. We only hoped to become a vessel that brings light into someone's life." The room fell silent, then rose in heartfelt applause. That evening, in the rooftop garden of IEM's headquarters, Yoon Min planted a tree. Standing beside him were Do Yoon, Eun Ju, and countless others who once felt lost, but now stood as leaders and creators. Like this tree, he said, what we planted here will grow slowly, deeply, and with purpose. And in that place, the roots of a true social enterprise had already begun to spread, not just across industries, but across hearts.